Hello my YouTube friends. Today I will present you a very beautiful video. This video is very special. In this video I will show you a very beautiful window blinds and curtains in made wool and crochet. You will see in this video how to decor your windows with wool crochet work. You are decorate your bedroom windows, your drawing room windows and lounge and extra. This is so beautiful curtains and window blinds. I hope you like this video and this idea. Some curtains is very decent and light color, and some curtain is very sharp bright colors. If you know crochet work, you can make easily and sell out these curtains. I hope you like this video. Please tell me in comments box and share my video with your friends and relatives, and subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you. Bye.